Ever tasted something which is sweet, it's tangy, it's unique, that taste that you cannot explain? You better try this
Before
sandwich.
I teach you how I made it, welcome my people, welcome to this channel.
Today we'll be making sauerkraut. This is a German dish of chopped pickled cabbage, which we start by first washing our cabbage, and then we remove the outer leaves first, and we just leave the inner leaves which are not dirty, the clean ones. And remember, we've washed it first. So the next thing is to chop it. Chop. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do next. So as you can see, my cabbage, it's a very it's very healthy and it's full. So that's what I was inspecting to see if the cabbage is as good as I wanted it to be. So we begin by chopping, and then after chopping, this is what you get. So our next step is to salt our cabbage. So we're going to take salt. I prefer using the sea salt. So we just put like a pinch of sea salt here, and then we mix it up. Ensure that every part of the cabbage, like every piece of the cabbage, gets fully salted. For those who've never heard this word before, sauerkraut is a German word. Sauer meaning sour, like acid, and kraut is the word that they call cabbage. Cabbages in German is kraut, so it's a sour cabbages. Yes, a product resulting from the natural lactic acid fermentation of sorted shredded cabbage. Yeah, so that's what sauerkraut is. Sauerkraut is beneficial to the guts. People who are having issues with acidity, ulcers, H. pylori, people who get bloated, this is the solution for you. This is a remedy better even than the medication. If you can be taking this every day, but do not overuse, like just take 1 tablespoon. Yeah, just use 1 tablespoon, and as time goes by and your body has gotten accustomed to it, then now you can begin adding. But like for me, I take 1 tablespoon and it's been helping a lot. You'll enjoy the benefit of taking this highly nutritious, probiotic rich food, a food with a lot of enzymes. These are natural probiotic rich food, better than the yogurt. When you go to the supermarket, you go to the section and you're picking the yogurt which has been written probiotic yogurt, just know that sauerkraut is much more nutritious than that yogurt, and it's cheaper for you to take a cabbage, chop it, and make yourself your own kimchi. Let me say so. Yeah, because sauerkraut and kimchi, they are not of such a difference. Yeah, so for people who know kimchi, sauerkraut is one and almost the same thing. Now we're done with this putting the salt, and now what we need to do is to put these shredded cabbages into the bottle jar. So I didn't know, I thought the cabbage is too big, so I prepared 2 jars, but 1 jar was enough. Which I didn't know. Yeah, 1 jar was enough. So you put the cabbage, and after putting, the next thing will be to tap it, push the cabbage down. You compress to make it all fit in the jar. So watching me make these, first of all, let me just appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for every returning subscribers, and for the people who are watching this video for the first time or who have visited my channel for the first time. I thank you. God bless you. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate you so much. You are the people who give me the strength to make another video. It's hard as I'm starting out. It's hard. I try to push myself, but when I think there are people who are waiting for me to make content, You give me the strength, guys, and I salute you and I say thank you, thank you, thank you. So as you can see, we put our we putting our cabbages in the bottle, and then we are going to tap it down. If you have a wooden spoon, you can use it to push it, and you tap it down to ensure that it's well pressed, and also to make sure that all the cabbages, they fit in there. So another option is, like you see, for me, I'm using a big bottle. If you can manage to get those small bottles at the best. You can use maybe like 2 bottles. Yeah, so you put on one and then you press it down to ensure that everything is pressed up. And also, I can give you a tip. Here, I will not use that tip, but to ensure that in case your container was not well closed, meaning that air was getting in. When I was doing my research on making sauerkraut, so I noticed that some people usually put, you take one leaf of the cabbage, the inner leaf, and you put it there on top. We've already filled up your bottle. Before you close, you put the leaf there, and then you put salt on it, and then now you can close your bottle. So our cabbages are ready. They are ready for us to put away. So you just put it somewhere where so here our job is done for this week. So the remaining thing is to put it away, clean up the sink, and wait for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then we come back and we see our sauerkraut if it has formed. After 3 weeks, the sauerkraut is ready. So this is it, unopened, and I've shared the recipe. Give it a try. Make your own sauerkraut. Just ensure that you put it in a glass jar and the lid is well closed. So as you can see, I totally ensured that the lid is completely sealed up there to ensure that no air was getting in. Yeah, so that's how I ensure that I trap all the air inside for the 3 weeks, and after opening, voila, this is what you get. This is what you get. I'll just take 1 tablespoon and then I will refrigerate the rest. So I'll be using on daily basis, but ensuring that I just use 1 tablespoon in a day. I cannot exceed that. And there are so many ways in which you can use the sauerkraut. For example, you can make a sauerkraut avocado boat. Like you take an avocado and then you put the sauerkraut on it and then you eat it, you know. Also, you can use it as a topping for a cheese spread. And thirdly, you can add it into a smoothie, make a smoothie with the sauerkraut. Also, you can use it in a sandwich, like what I did. I'll show you there at the end what I've made. And also, you can put your sauerkraut in a green salad. And another thing also, you can make an egg salad and you put the sauerkraut there. So this is what I made. The sauerkraut, I just scooped 1 tablespoon, and then I took 1 carrot, I grated it, and one half a cucumber, and I made this. I don't know, you can call it a salad or what you can call it, but I made this to use it as a layer for my sandwich. Yeah, so I'll put this one inside my sandwich when I'm taking the sandwich, and having put it here, it's very tasty. You don't feel like there's no that sourness because of the carrot. Yeah, so also you can also add it. I had said that you can put it in the egg salad. Also you can add it into your mashed potatoes. You can make a potato salad and you put it there. You can make a tuna salad. You can make a sauerkraut chocolate cake. You can roast it with your favorite vegetables. You can make sauerkraut meatballs, stuffed cabbages. There is so much that you can do with sauerkraut. So just experiment, just experiment. Be putting it as a topping in your food, and you'll enjoy. You'll, according to your own taste, you'll come to realize maybe you love it this way, as a topper for maybe cheese, or in your smoothie, or in the sandwich, or maybe when you toast it in the green salad is when you enjoy it. Or will you enjoy it in your mashed potatoes, when you add it in your mashed potatoes, or some use it like this. So there's so many ways in which you can use your sauerkraut, and this is my way. This is how I made it. Yeah, so I put mine inside there, the bread. And that's how you make your own sauerkraut at home. Very easy, very easy. Your cabbage, your salt, and then leave it to ferment, and you enjoy it with your food. So I hope you try this. For all those who suffered from stomach upsets, please give it a try, and you thank me later, and I hope it will be of help to you. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.